2019 Mercedes CLA250, resetting the service reminder. Go ahead and press OK, get rid of the message. You're going to want to scroll around until you get the screen at the mileage screen right there. Right now the car is running. We're going to turn it off. I'm going to make sure it's turned off all the way. Okay, foot off the brake. What we're going to want to do real quick is go ahead and push the engine start stop button one time, foot off the brake, get it into position one, ignition one position. If you have the key, you're going to stick it in and turn it to one position without starting it, without your foot on the brake, okay? You're going to quickly move to phone and OK. You're going to press phone, then OK, but you're going to hold these buttons down and the display will change, okay? So that's position one, phone, OK. You end up with the screen right here. You're going to scroll down to the Assist Plus and hit OK. This is, we're going to reset the services, okay? Go down to full service, and you're going to reset whatever service it was telling you before that you need to reset. So we can just go down to, I think it said what, service 3, and I'm going to go ahead and confirm full service. Yeah, everything was done. Okay, go down and confirm.